Happening this afternoon in New York, Donald Trump's legal team made a new motion for a mistrial in the criminal hush money case. Todd Blanche telling Judge Merchan that this trial is not about sex, and yet the testimony of Stormy Daniels provided jurors with prejudicial details, from spanking to not using a condom. Judge Merchan has now denied the motion for a mistrial. Here's the latest on Stormy Daniels' cross-examination.
Here we sit after 2.5 weeks, and I think you'll see some very revealing things today, and I want to thank my lawyers. They've done a very good job, but I'd rather thank them after it's over.
Adult film star Stormy Daniels, a central figure in the criminal case against Trump, took the stand for a second day of testimony. Trump's attorney, Susan Neckles, hammered down on Daniels in cross-examination to establish some of the ways she gained publicity and money from her story going public. In nearly 4 hours of cross-examination, Neckles asked Daniels about her earlier testimony of the alleged encounter, compared with versions in a book she wrote and interviews she gave over the years. She asked Daniels why, in a 2018 interview to Vogue magazine, she did not mention that Trump's bodyguard had been outside the hotel room where the encounter happened. Daniels had testified that her awareness of the bodyguard's presence contributed to a power imbalance with Trump that left her feeling uncomfortable. "You made all of this up, right?" Neckles asked Daniels. "No," Daniels said emphatically, sitting with her hands folded and legs crossed. She said she did not provide all the details in each interview she gave and did not control which portions of her accounts news outlets eventually published. On Tuesday, Daniels walked the jury through details about her alleged sexual encounter with Trump in 2006 and the $130,000 hush money payment from Trump's ex-attorney Michael Cohen shortly before the 2016 election. That hush money and how it was reimbursed to Cohen is at the heart of the charges against Trump, who has pleaded not guilty to 34 counts of falsifying business records and has denied the affair. Just before ending her cross-examination today, Neckles asked Daniels if she had knowledge of Trump's business records, part of an effort to paint her testimony as irrelevant to the charges at hand. "I know nothing about his business records." "No," Daniels said. "Why would I?" Then, before a lunch break, Trump's lawyer Todd Blanche said the defense would renew its motion for a mistrial on the basis of Daniels' testimony and challenge the judge's gag order on Trump as it relates to making public comments about Daniels.
I just want to let you know that we've just filed a major motion in the appellate division concerning the absolutely unconstitutional gag order, where I'm essentially not allowed to talk to you about anything meaningful that's going on in the case.
The judge has fined Trump $10,000 for public comments about jurors and witnesses in the trial and said further violations of the gag order could land him in jail.